Understanding Trial Examination, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, trial examination. This is a commonly used term in educational contexts, and understanding it can be very helpful for English language learners. So, let's dive in and unravel the nuances of this phrase together. Trial examination is composed of two words, trial and examination. Let's look at each word separately. A trial typically refers to a test or experiment to discover something unknown. An examination, in the educational context, is a formal test of a person's knowledge or proficiency in a subject or skill. So, when these words are combined, they form a phrase with a specific meaning in education. A trial examination is essentially a practice test conducted before the main or final examination. It serves multiple purposes. 1. Assessment. It assesses students' understanding and preparation for the actual exam. 2. Practice. It provides students with an opportunity to practice under exam conditions. 3. Feedback. It offers both students and teachers valuable feedback on areas that require more focus or improvement. In educational settings, trial examinations are crucial for a few reasons. They help reduce exam anxiety by familiarizing students with the format and type of questions. They allow teachers to identify and address any gaps in teaching or understanding. They give students a chance to improve before the final examination. When facing a trial examination, it's important to prepare. Treat it like the actual exam in terms of preparation. Learn. Use it as a learning experience to understand your strengths and weaknesses. Improve. Take the feedback seriously and work on improving before the final exam. I hope this video has clarified the concept of a trial examination for you. Remember, these exams are a stepping stone towards your success in the actual examinations. They are an opportunity to learn and grow. Keep practicing, and you will surely excel. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful English language learning content.